Hiya guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be getting some nails on my right hand. So you can see there I've not prepped my middle nail yet because I'm going to do that on camera with you guys. So I want to show you my prep routine. So I'm going to start off by pushing the cuticles back first with my cuticle pusher. Now I used to have issues with nails popping off and lifting, but since I've started this prep routine and I've started using the nail bonding system, I don't get no lifting no more. I don't get no nails popping off. My nails last weeks, guys, weeks and weeks. Well, until I take them off, really. So I've pushed the cuticles back. Now I'm going along with my cuticle scraper and I'm just removing any of that dead skin that's still attached to my nail plate. Now I'm not digging that scraper into my nail bed at all. I'm literally just skipping it over. I'm not being rough. I'm not putting no pressure on my nail plate at all. I'm just getting rid of any dead skin because that is one of the main causes of lifting and nails popping off. Now we're going in with the cuticle scissors. These are a godsend, guys. I've used a few different brands of nippers and I just can't seem to get on with nippers. These scissors, I'll leave the link for them, guys, in my description box below. They're only a couple of quid off Shein, but they have been an absolute game changer to my cuticle prep. When you're removing your cuticles, you're only removing the white bit, the dead skin. So look at all that I've just cut away. Is so satisfying. I love it. Now I'm going in with a buffer and I'm just roughing up that natural nail, removing that shiny surface, and that will give the gel something to grip onto as well. Just find a buffer is the best thing for this. Now we're going to wipe all the nails over with some isopropyl alcohol. Size our tips up. So sizing the tips up, they want to fit from sidewall to sidewall, just like that. And now we're going in with our dehydrator. Then let that dry. Now we're going in with the Nails Ultra Bond Acid Primer. Like I said earlier, guys, this has been an absolute game changer to my nails not popping off and not getting no lifting. So when you're applying your primer, just apply one strip down either side, one strip down the middle. You don't need to go into that cuticle area or up them sidewalls because this does disperse itself over the nail itself. Let that dry. Now we're going to apply base coat to all 5 nails. I'll just show you me applying that to a couple, and then I'll give them a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So they've all had a coat of base coat and they're fully cured. Now we're going in with a solid sticker adhesive gel. I'm not going to try and say that brand, but this was from Temu and it's a tip gel. So you get the tip, scrape a little bit into that cuticle area, make sure there's none on top of the tip, make sure it's all on the underside of that tip, lower it into your cuticle area at a 45-degree angle. You do have to push down quite hard with this stuff because it is quite a stiff product. You'll see as it's attaching itself to the nail, you'll see the air bubbles spreading out. And once them air bubbles are all gone, I'm going to pop that in my mini lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I'm just giving that a flash cure for now. I will give all of the nails a flash cure first, and then once they are all done, I'll give them all a full cure in my big lamp for 60 seconds. So again, pop that in the cuticle area at a 45-degree angle, and you'll see that gel going all the way down the nail once it reaches the end of your natural nail. And it's fully attached to your natural nail. Make sure the tips are nice and straight. Remove any bits that come out around your cuticle area. And this stuff's great because it's not sticky or anything. You can just remove it with your nail or a cuticle scraper. And then once you're happy with that tip, give it a flash cure in your mini lamp. And that'll hold that all in place. You'll see I've done the pointer finger off camera because it's the exact same. Now I'm going to apply the 2 cat eye tips. Again, it's the same process. Scrape a bit of the tip gel into the tip Make sure there's none on the top of the tip. It's all in that cuticle area and on the underside of the nail. Pop it in the cuticle area as close as you can to the cuticle, just leaving like a 1mm gap. Make sure it's nice and straight, all the air bubbles are out, and then give them all a full cure. So they've now had a full cure in my big lamp for 60 seconds. I just need to shorten these cat eye tips because they were a little bit longer. And now we're going in with a builder gel. So the purpose of the builder gel is to make the tips stronger. It makes the shape last for longer. It just makes them wear so much better. This is a really great step when applying full cover tips. So I'm going to apply this builder gel to all 5 nails, and then I'll give them a cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I've applied that to all 5 tips. That builder gel's all now fully cured. And now we're ready for some top coat. So I'm using my all-time favourite Born Pretty Super Top Coat. Guys, this top coat is my go-to shiny top coat at the minute. It's stain resistant, scratch resistant, anti-yellowing. It stays shiny for weeks and weeks. It's a really, really good top coat. So I'm just going to give all 5 tips a coat of this top coat, give them a cure for 60 seconds, and that'll be them all finished. So that's what they look like all done. We're just going to give them a little bit of cuticle oil now. Just give those cuticles a little bit of nourishment. Just finish your nails off nicely. Always remember to put your cuticle oil on when you're finished, guys. Very important step. Yeah, that's them all done. I really like them. A very nice, manageable length. Really nice shape. Love those cat eye tips. They are beautiful, aren't they? Well smart. I really like the Temu tips. They fit really nice. Yeah, I really like them. So everything that I've used today I shall leave listed in my description box below. If I have got any discount codes for any of the products that I've used today, I'll also leave them in my description box as well. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.